Good morning, dear students. In the last class, I told you that I'm going to start chapter 13, and I have introduced two shapes. One is cuboid and another is cube. And also, I have told you how to find out the surface area, means total surface area, lateral surface area of cube and cuboid both. So I repeat, TSA of cuboid 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Then lateral surface area or area of four walls will be 2L plus B into H. And in the case of cube, the faces are square, so total surface area will be 6L square, and lateral or surface area or area of four walls will be 4L square. I hope all of you remembered this formula and I understood the concept of this formula. Concept means that how many faces are there and what do you mean by surface area, total surface area and curved surface, lateral surface area. In case any doubt, you can ask me. So today I am going to start exercise 13.1. Question number 1. A plastic box 15 meter, 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheets, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. A plastic box, what is the length of the box? 1.5, wide is 1.25 and deep is how much? Deep means height, you can say 65 centimeter. So want to make a plastic box, and you have to see that the top means the surface on top, means you can say the top is open, it is not closed. Understood? So if just if it ignore the thickness, then you can see that only you have length, breadth and height. Then according to the question, you need to find out the area of the sheet required for making the box. What is the area of the sheet you need to make this box? To find this, you need to find the area of the surfaces. But one surface is no needed. Which surface? The surface that is on the top, no? Because top is open. It is given, it is open at the top. I hope all of you understood. So that means area of four walls plus area of the bottom. Yes? So we have length 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter and height is 65 centimeter. So it is given centimeter, so convert into meter. So how to convert centimeter to meter? Divided by 100. If you divide 65 by 100, you will get 0.65 meter. So you can see this figure. I have drawn a figure just for understanding. This surface, this surface, this surface, these all surfaces are closed. Only this top is open. That means you need to find out the area of these 5 surfaces. Out of 6, one surface is open. So you need to find out the area of these 5 surfaces. Means area of these 4 walls plus area of the bottom. So the area of the required area of the sheet is equal to area of 4 walls plus area of bottom. So area of 4 walls you can write 2L plus B into H, and area of the bottom is laying into breadth. So put the values: length 1.5 plus breadth 1.25 into H 0.65. So L into B 1.5 into 1.25. So if you add these two, 1.5 plus 1.25, 2.75 into 0.65 plus, if you multiply 1.5 into 1.25, you will get 1.875. So now 2 into 2.75, 5.5, then 0.65 plus 1.875. If you multiply 5.5 into 0.65, you will get 3.575 plus 1.875. If you add these two, you will get 5.45 meter square. Okay, because area should be written in the form of meter square. Understood? I mean to say, if you want to write the unit for each of the dimension, you can write here. After that, you will get meter square again. Okay, if you don't want to write at last, if you want to write, you can write at last also. Clear? Next, question number 2. The cost of sheet required for making the box if a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. Here, they said that if 1 meter square means per meter square is rupees 20, then what is the total cost? So, the required cost is, we have 5.45 meter square, so per meter square is 20, so 5.45 into 20 is equal to rupees 109. Clear? Next question. Question number 3. The floor of a rectangle has a perimeter 250 meter. All of you know what is rectangle? Floor of a rectangle has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 per meter square, if the cost of painting the, what is it? The cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. If it is 10 per meter square, then the total cost is how much? 15,000. Find the height of double. You need to find the height of double. So, hint, area of 4 walls is equal to lateral surface area. This is already you know. Yes. So we have perimeter is equal to 50 meter. So what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 250 meter. Now, also it is given that cost of painting the 4 walls is rupees 15,000. If 10 per meter square means, after multiplying 10 per meter square with the area of 4 walls, we got 15,000. Means if you divide by 10 to the total cost, then you will get the area back. Yes or no? So you can write area of 4 walls is equal to what? 15,000 by 10. Then what is 1500? Now if you multiply with 1500, 10 per meter square cost is 10, then you will get back the total cost. So we need the area, that is why area of 4 walls is equal to this one. Now, area of 4 walls, what is the formula? 2L plus B into H. And the value of 2L plus B is what? This perimeter, 2L plus B. How much? 250 meter. So put the values here, 250 meter into H. So H equal to, if it tends per 250 on the right hand side, 1500 by 250. 0, 0 cancel. Then 25, 150. 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15, 0 means 30. I mean to say 5 30 is 150. Then 5 6 is 30. Yes, that means 6 meter. Therefore, height of the hole is 6 meter. Question. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes including base, held together with tape. It is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm height. So this is given part. So try to understand what is given here. Here they said that there is a greenhouse herbarium and dimensions are 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm height. That means it is a cuboidal shape. This herbarium is a cuboidal shape. Now, if it is a cuboidal shape, I need to find out what is the area of the glass. And also it is given that including base. That means we understand that if you need to find out the area of the glass, that means you need to find out all the area of all the 6 faces. That means total surface area of the cuboid. So we have length equal to 30 cm, breadth is 25 cm, h is equal to 25 cm. Total surface area of the glass greenhouse 2 LB plus BH plus LH. So put the values 30 into 25 plus BH, 25 into 25 plus LH, 30 into 25. If you multiply, you will get 750, 625 plus 650. Then if you add this 21225, and finally if you multiply with 2125, you will get 4250. And this is the area of the glass. Clear? Next. Also it is given that how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. In the question it is given that entire of the glass panes including panes held together with tape. It is made by using tape. Yes or no? See, as we know that in a cuboid there are 12 edges, and all the 12 edges are what? Attached by using tape. So we need to find the total length of the tape. Yes. If you see this figure, then you will understand there will be total length of the tape is 4 length plus there are 4 breadth and plus 4 height. All the edges will be added. So if you take count 4, L plus B plus H, then 4, L is 30, B is 25, H is 25. If you add these 3 and multiply with 4, you will get 320 centimeter. And this 320 centimeter tape is required for all the 12 edges. Clear? Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions 4 meter into 3 meter? So understood how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimension 4 meter to 3 meter. Try to understand the question, my dear students. As we know that the car is not in the form of cuboid, means it is not cuboidal, but that shelter, no, temporary shelter, what Parveen want to make, that is in the shape of what? Cuboid. But it is given that for her car by making a box like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides. Please keep this in your mind. 4 sides and the top of the car, means bottom part no needed. You need to find this required tarpaulin for 5 faces except the bottom. Clear? So first of all, write length 4 meter, breadth 3 meter and height 2.5 meter. Tarpaulin will be required for the top and 4 walls sides of the shelter. So area of the tarpaulin required means what do you need? Area of 4 walls plus area of top, means area of 4 wall is what? 2L plus B into H plus area of top laying into breadth, it is rectangular. So 2L is 4, B is 3, then height is 2.5, means put the values, then calculate it. 4 plus 3 7, 7 2 is 14, 14 into 2.5 plus 12. If you convert 2.5 into fraction, you will get 25 by 10. Then 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 2 7 is 14, 7 5 is 35 plus 12. 35 plus 12 is 47 meter square, and this is the final result. I hope all of you understood these sums. In case any doubt regarding this solved sums or any concept, you can ask me in the evening, or please complete this homework. Try this. In case any doubt, you can ask me. Homework question number 2, 4, 5 and 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.